What's up, y'all? Good morning. So it's a beautiful Monday morning and you're welcome back to my family. You're welcome to my home. Look at my beautiful baby Beverly. Beverly, come and say hello, guys. Come. Yay. Wait, show them your oversized shoe. The shoe is not your size. Go front, go forward. The shoe is not your size. Don't fall, sorry. Woyo. And here's Fortune. Fortune, why are you standing and eating? Go and sit down and eat. You didn't say hello.
Hello.
No good morning or good afternoon. And you guys see my beautiful, adorable, beautiful baby girl, Bernice. Bernice. She said, how are you? Say, I'm fine. What is that? Oh yeah, you guys should come and pack these things to the store. Oh yeah, you guys should come. Yeah, so we actually got some stuff in the kitchen, like some things that we don't have. Food, obviously, because nowadays food is actually quite expensive, and it seems they're actually even smaller. So Daddy Beverly bought rice, curry, spaghetti, and indomie. Oh yeah, come and help us pack. Joy! What is it with her? Why is she crying? Eh?
Papa.
Okay, she's with her daddy. Come and pack these things. What? What is it? What is it? It's your daddy. Daddy, what did you do to your baby?
She said I should give her a knife. I said no.
Your daddy cannot give you knife now.
Help.
Help do what? When you're eating it, you will not say help. See head. You don't want them to see that you're eating to apple. Why are you hiding the apple? Is it that Calabar people apple? It's soft and nice, but what? It's actually what? Have you finished? Don't carry that in too. Carry one. There are big people in this house. What's in no heavy? Why will you want to labor yourself like that? What are you looking for? Is it your watermelon?
No, you don't say this one no good.
What's not good?
I think it's this one that will spoil. In the fridge to spoil it.
Remove. Why you finish? Remove the watermelon and make it a juice.
Oh, smoothie, no banana.
I didn't say smoothie. I said juice.
Pineapple juice. Watermelon.
Child, I said juice. You say pineapple juice. Is that pineapple? Oh yeah, yeah. So I. Oh yeah, yeah. I want my fish and what? Just get me that plate. Get me that plate. One baby. Thank you. I don't want. And my what? My mom. What do you mean, man?
Shall we? That will be an explanation.
Blooming chicken.
No, it's not blooming chicken. It's not blooming kitchen, no, it's blooming chicken.
Is it chicken or kitchen?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Right. There is chichi there.
Let's go and eat now.
I'm sure you're watching your weight.
I'm watching my weight now.
When you want to eat, you don't provide everything you want.
But this is just one moi moi. Look at what I'm eating. This is moi moi and head of fish. It's not much now.
And egg.
Is there egg inside?
There's egg. I see one white stuff.
It's not protein. All of them they are.
And the tomato will be good.
It's protein. It's good. Because I'm watching my weight, so I should not eat at all at all.
I am one of the people that are watching their weight.
Eh?
They're watching their weight. See the food.
It's just one
My
moi
wife
moi.
is watching her weight. Honestly.
I beg you. You're not watching your weight.
Baby, just see. You've shown the stuff.
Okay.
Let me give you dry fish. You dry.
It's not
No, eat dry this. It's good for you.
I love egg fresh fish.
The reason why I can't trap
When you grow up and go to your own house, you'll not be enjoying alone. I'll not be there.
anytime when you come, I can ask.
When your wife will allow me enter kitchen.
Which way?
Which wife? You know go marry. Look at this guy. Where a lot of people don't they toast you online.
Until when time?
They don't they tell you say ma give them your number. I'll start the give. Ma they give.
You want to say
You're not serious.
good you like this.
Okay, you want to say the reason why you can't do it? It's because what?
Also, that's why I make my clothes, you know, so that
You could deal with it very well.
for now. Now, times when you see plenty of food, you get tired of the food.
Yeah.
He was like, bro, is there no African food here? So when you go carry enter one African restaurant, they give him a now so my guy pull his shirt. Put the whole shirt inside the restaurant, come on shoe.
Okay,
He's finished and so he carry clothes for her. I say, yes, but then I'm not okay.
Hi guys, what's up? So it's already evening and I'm literally just coming back from the market. I went out to buy some stuff and it's almost night time. Like this is for 7 and I'm actually still using the natural light, so you have to pardon me with the quality of the video I get. Yep. Okay, so I just want to unbox some of the things that I bought in the market. I just want to share this with you guys, and yeah, so one of the things I bought is this rice guide for me, deodorant, Beverly. Yes. Once you climb, you fall. Okay. Turn now. Let me carry you like this. Okay, so I got this. Wait, let me show them. You've come now. I'll keep you down. I bought this portion plates.
Mommy.
It's just like this. It's very small. It's 25 in this pack.
Mommy.
But I don't break it too. And then I bought this. This is a blender. Because actually I and my husband that went to buy all of these things because we are actually the blender that I'm using kind of broken on one side. Yeah, that's why we bought this particular one. And honestly, yeah, the main reason for buying this particular blender is because of this small one. The small one that you can see here. Yeah, I basically use it on my other channel. So that's actually one of the things we got. We got a cup. Bring the other cup for me. So we got a cup because we actually do not have some cup. We bought this 2 cup, and then we got this strainer. I got the small one and the big one. Look at that. And then I got this teaspoon. It's actually a gold colored teaspoon. Okay, so we actually got this one too. This particular one is a food flask for Beverly's, preparing Beverly for resumption of school next month. Yeah, so this is how the food flask is, and it has this smaller part too. A small part. It's actually a small food flask that will actually go inside her lunch box. Basically. Okay, so we got that one, and then we got some serving dish plates, very small one. There's always a reason for buying something. And then we got Pampers for Beverly. We bought orange juice. So we actually also went to the pharmacy, and then we got this medicine called Cerumo hair drops, because I'm actually having, there's this thing that Momsi brought when she came for Omuko, hydro something like that. Yeah, she actually uses it to clean her hair. When I tried it, it numbed my ear for some days, and now it's making it, my ear is sounding as if there is something inside. When I do like this, it sounds boop boop boop. So I had to go to the pharmacy for them to give me this, you know. So it's actually to gently soften and remove hair wax. So I bought that one in the pharmacy, and I equally bought this. What else did we buy that I'm not showing you? Okay, so we bought this. We bought this particular one too. We bought this. Yeah. So this is actually a plate for the you know, from time to time keep on updating kitchen stuff, because there's no how some things are not going to go bad, some things are going to break, you know, some things are just going to go out of place, like, you know, looking really rough and unhealthy to use. Yeah, so that's why we bought this particular plate. Let me show you. This plate is quite expensive. I don't even know why it's that expensive. It's actually a 3 sets of plates. Okay. So this is actually the very first one. This is how it is. This is how it is. And here is the cover. And basically, oh, this is not the cover for this part, so this is the cover. Yeah, so this is how it is. It's quite beautiful, but it's actually expensive. There are some that are 50,000 for 3 sets of plate though. There are some that are 40,000. There are some that are 30, and there are some that are 70. So we actually got this particular one. It's a 3 sets plate. And this is the last, this is the biggest one. This is it. Okay. So I wanted to just show you guys all of the things that we actually got from the market, since we actually did not take you guys, although we still need some little plates here and there. Okay, that's basically it. And yeah, I hope you actually love some of the things we bought. It's actually almost night time. I don't know if you can actually see this video very well, but of course with my blue lights on, the video is actually giving me some crazy background, like blue, white, green, red, and all of that at the background. I'm sure it's because of the blue light that I on here, but apart from the blue light, this is how the video would have been. This is how it would have been basically. Yeah, it would have been like this. Yeah guys, okay, so that's it. And I hope you're actually seeing the plates very well now without the blue lights. This is how it is. Beautiful 3 sets of plates, 40,000 naira. However, we still need some very good soup plates and all of that. Basically that's it. So thank you very much for being here. I love you guys. Bye.